Hello dear traders, welcome to ИнстаФорекс Traders Calendar. I'm Marina Generalova. In the early half of the week, traders will watch closely the macroeconomic releases from the following countries. That the US is to unveil its Conference Board consumer confidence data for July. Economists say the indicator's growth is seen at 85.5. Meanwhile, June dynamic revealed a considerable increase to 85.2 from 82.2. Analysts were less optimistic with their anticipations of the region of 83.6. It is also noteworthy that the expectations index and present situation index rose as well. Moreover, Germany is about to disclose its July Consumer Price Index report. Economists anticipate a 0.4% increase in consumer prices compared with the previous months and a 1% rise on a yearly basis. In June, Germany's consumer prices climbed 0.3% from May and grew 1% from the same period of 2013. The pace of growth matched preliminary estimates and analyst forecasts. Acceleration of inflation in Germany could signal relative success of the recent ECB measures taken in early June. The regulator cut its benchmark interest rate to a new record low of 0.15% and introduced a negative deposit rate. In addition, the central bank said it has plans afoot to carry out several rounds of targeted long-term loans to banks. However, wholesale prices, which represent a leading indicator for inflation, still remain in a negative zone. On Wednesday, the United States will report its GDP data for the second quarter of 2014. According to experts' forecast, the indicator is seen to grow 2.9% in the reporting period. In first quarter, the country's GDP pace of growth was at a 5-year low. Economists explain that by less private investment influence, a decline in exports and federal and local government spending, as well as greater volume of imports. Thus, in January-March, the indicator plummeted 2.9% compared with the previous reading, and a 1.8% fall predicted by analysts. Experts said adverse weather conditions could cause a fall of 1.5% of GDP, but the data was not adjusted to the climate factor. Annually, the US economy expanded by 1.5%. In addition to these events, it is worth noting the following macroeconomic data that will be out at the beginning of the week. That the United States will publish its pending home sales data. On Tuesday, Japan will unveil its household spending and the UK will report on its net lending to individuals and mortgage approvals. On Wednesday, Japan will release its preliminary industrial output data, while the US will provide markets with its ADP employment change, as well as the Fed's interest rate decision. That is all for now. It was ИнстаФорекс Calendar with Marina Generalova. Stay tuned.